Most people think creating high-quality videos takes hours, expensive gear, and a full team. But what if you could create a full video, avatar, voice, visuals, everything, just by typing a script? That's exactly what AI Studios does. And honestly, once you see this, it's hard to go back.
Curious how AI can actually simplify your daily work? You're in the right place. Here, we break down powerful AI tools into simple, practical steps so you can save time, boost productivity, and create smarter without stress.
Let's say you're a creator, or maybe you're running a business. You want to make content consistently, but recording yourself every time, editing, voiceovers, reshoots, yeah, that gets old fast. Now here's where it gets interesting. So imagine this. You upload a photo or a short video of yourself. That's it. AI Studios takes that and turns it into a realistic AI avatar. One that looks like you, talks like you, and can deliver unlimited videos without you ever touching a camera again. And I'm not talking about those robotic, lifeless avatars. These actually have natural facial expressions, accurate lip sync, and a level of realism that's honestly kind of scary. So let's say you're a founder. Instead of recording weekly updates, you just type your script, and your AI version delivers it perfectly. Every time. No lighting setup, no retakes, no stress. Hello, I'm founder of this agency. I want to report the progress of the past week. In the past week, we focused on build the onboarding system so the cust have easy access and clearly tracking to onboarding on this agency. After this, we focus to make plan for approach the sponsorship. I hope in this week the plan is finished. I think it's all of the past week. Thank you. And here's the crazy part. You can scale this. One avatar, unlimited content. Now stay with me here, because this is where it gets even more powerful. What if your video didn't just talk, but actually interacted? I'm talking about real conversations. This is where interactive avatars come in. Instead of a one-way video, you now have an AI that can answer questions, guide users, and actually engage in real time. Think about this for a second. You run a website. A visitor lands at 2 a.m. Normally, they leave. But now, your AI avatar pops up and says, hey, what are you looking for? And it doesn't just respond. It understands context, answers questions, and helps them move forward. That's not just content anymore. That's a 24/7 digital employee. And businesses are already using this for customer support, sales onboarding, even HR interviews. Now, let's talk about something every creator struggles with: going global. You make a video. It performs well, but only in one language. You're leaving massive reach on the table. Here's where AI Studios completely changes the game. You upload your video, and it instantly translates it into 150 plus languages, but not just subtitles. Full dubbing. Same voice tone, same pacing, perfect lip sync. It literally feels like you recorded the video in that language. So imagine this. You make one YouTube video, and now you have English version, Spanish version, Arabic version, Hindi version, all done automatically.
Hola, represento a una agencia वकालतन इब्दाइयतन तबनी तजारिब अला नतीजे देती है और मैं आपके मार्केटिंग लक्ष्यों के अनुरूप एक
Now here's something most people overlook: internal content, training, onboarding. Companies spend thousands creating training materials, and then updating them becomes a nightmare. AI Studio solves this with AI training videos. You can take a PDF, a document, even a simple script, and turn it into a fully interactive training video. We're talking quizzes, branching scenarios, structured learning, and it integrates with LMS systems like Moodle SAP Cornerstone. So instead of static documents, you now have engaging, scalable learning experiences. And if something changes, you don't re-record. You just edit the text. Done. Now, this next part is honestly one of the most exciting full AI video generation. You're not just using avatars anymore. You can generate entire scenes from text. Let's say you type a futuristic city at night, neon lights reflecting on wet streets. Boom, AI Studios generates that visual. And it doesn't stop there. You can compare outputs from multiple models like Klingveo Nano Banana all in one place. So instead of jumping between tools, everything is centralized, and you can combine AI visuals, avatars, voice into one final video. If you're wondering how to actually use this, it's simple. You go into AI Studios, click New Project, choose what you want, avatar video dubbing, AI generation, type your script, and let it do the heavy lifting. No complicated setup, no technical skills. This isn't just about saving time. It's about scaling content in a way that wasn't possible before. AI Studios basically turns ideas into videos instantly, and once you start using it, you'll realize how much time you were wasting before. If you want to try it, check the link below. And if you want more tools like this, subscribe, because we're just getting started.